Hi there guys, back with another video, and yes, it is the first video of 2026. Can we believe it? Well done to all of those for getting where they needed to go, and I cannot wait to help you along your journey for mathematics. Whether we are just scraping through or not, I'm here to support you. Okay, so the first video is actually going to be from the NSC May-June 2025 paper for mathematics, paper 1, and it's question 1.1.3. The question had asked us to solve for x in the following circumstances. Now, if we have a look at this question, you can immediately see that our unknown x is actually an exponent. In this sense, you need to try and find a common base, because at the end of the entire question, you are then going to drop the base and say x is equal to. So what I say for step 1 is you always need to go and separate each term, meaning that you should have stated that it's 2x times by 2 to the power of 4. Because remember, if I am adding my exponents, if I separate them to separate bases, it means that they are actually being multiplied together. Okay, then the last one would have just remained the same, as there's only one exponent. And we're going to leave 8704. We're not going to prime factorize immediately. We're going to rather do that closer to the end, because then there's less numbers to deal with. Okay, now we have to remember that concept that you were taught way back when in grade 9 about a highest common factor. So if you were to look at the left-hand side, do you see a highest common factor? Okay, if you don't, and if you have, just listen to me now, it's 2x, because you split your terms by a plus or minus, and you're then going to identify that each side of that split has a 2 to the power of x. So you take out that common factor. Whatever is left over goes into the bracket. Okay, and we're going to leave the right-hand side as is. Okay, now from there, simplify your bracket. So you would have that it's 2x, and the bracket will simplify to 16 plus 1, which we know is 17, is equal to 8,704. Okay, once you've gotten to this point, you're going to try and get your 2 to the power of x alone. Now, if I was previously multiplying, the way that I can remove this 17 in order to get the 2x alone is I then need to divide both sides by 17, meaning that I'm going to have 2x is equal to 8,714 divided by 17. When I simplify that and I use my calculator, I'm going to get that it is equal to my final answer of 512 for the right-hand side. But I'm not done yet. I haven't solved for x. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're now going to prime factorize. All right, now you can do this by pressing Shift Fact on your calculator. Okay, and you're going to say that 2x is equal to 2 to the power of 9. Now I've gotten to that point where I have the same base. And if you have the same base, you can drop them, and you'll then see that your answer to x must therefore be 9. Okay, well done, guys. There is another method in which to do this using logarithms, but I'd prefer that we do this one just for now until we get to our log series. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more.